Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decor Diary, your ultimate stop for stylish, creative and affordable home decor inspiration. Here we believe that every corner of your home has a story to tell, and with the right ideas you can turn even the simplest space into something truly extraordinary. Whether you are dreaming of a modern living room, cozy bedroom, stunning fall ceilings, elegant stair railings, or unique wall decor, this channel brings you the latest 2025 trends, smart DIY tips, and luxury design that fit every budget and style. Our videos are filled with easy explanation, clear examples, and endless inspiration so you can decorate with confidence and creativity. If you love exploring beautiful interior, trending design, and timeless decor ideas, then you are in the right place. So, first of all, most important thing, subscribe now and let's transform your house into a dream home, one stylish idea at a time. Imagine walking into your home and seeing your plain wall instantly come alive with memories, colors, and style because wall hanging photo frames are not just decoration, they are storytellers. They bring warmth, love, and personality into any room. And in today's video, we are going to explore the most beautiful, stylish, creative wall hanging photo frame ideas for 2025 that will truly inspire you to transform your bedroom, living room, hallway, or even office into a space filled with charm and elegance. Now, before we dive into all the ideas, let's understand why photo frames are so powerful. They don't just fill empty walls, they bring family together. They display your happiest movement and they create gallery that feel both personal and artistic. So whether you love modern minimalist frame, bold family photo walls or handmade creative collages, this video will give you everything you need starting with will wall frame design layouts. One of the top decor trend this year is playing with layout pattern instead of just hanging one or two frames randomly. People are now creating amazing stairway layout or even full gallery walls that follow a specific shape like heart, square, circle with mirrors. Imagine your hallway filled with evenly spaced frame in great style. It look clean, modern and so pleasing. So the eye, or you could try the staircase wall gallery where frames go up step by step following the stairs. It's not only fill the empty wall but also add flow and movement to your home. Another popular idea is mixed size gallery wall where small, medium and large family comes together giving a layered, stylish effect that looks trendy in 2025. And now let's talk about photo frame wall design. Nothing feels more special than walking into a room seeing your family smiling back at you from the wall. This year's designers are focusing on storytelling wall where you display family picture in a timeline style starting from childhood photos, wedding memories, vacations and festival all arranged in order. This makes your wall not just a decoration but a family history book. Another way to display family frames is by using matching wooden or black frame to create harmony. For example, in your living room, you can dedicate one large wall for family portraits in black and white frames. It's looked elegant, timeless, and emotional at the same time. Now, if you love modern wall decoration with frames, the 2025 trend is all about mixing art and photos together. You can combine your favorite painting, abstract prints, and personal pictures in one gallery, creating a stylish mix that look more like an art exhibition. Floating frames are also in style where the picture seems to the floating inside a glass border, perfect for minimal and luxury homes. Metallic frame in gold, silver, or matte black are trending as well. They give your wall a polished, expensive look without spending too much. Now moving to handmade and decorative hanging frames. These are perfect if you love DIY ideas or want something unique instead of buying ready-made frames. You can use rope, wooden or even ropes and clips where you attach your print photos. This look amazing in bedrooms and cozy corner. Hanging frames are also very popular, especially in styles home. You can even paint or decorate plain frames with beads, shells, or fabric. Make them more personal. The beauty of handmade frames is that they are affordable, customizable, and one of a kind. Now let's not forget affordable online shopping option because many people want to decorate their wall but also keep in budget friendly. In Pakistan you can find amazing frames sets from draws or local decor shops. In the UK and worldwide websites like Amazon and many more websites have a beautiful frame collection that fit every budget from simple set of 6 or 8 frames to luxury designer frames. So no matter where you live, you can easily find stylish frame online without spending too much. Whenever you want another trending ideas is mixing mirror with frame. For example, a wall with photo frames in center and round decorative mirrors on the side. This combination make your room look brighter and bigger. So not only are you displaying memories but also enhancing your interior design. Also consider adding around. So if you enjoyed these stylish wall photo frame ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Decor Diary for more trending home decor inspiration ideas.